making music for a child's heart, body, and mind.
Hi beloved, once again I welcome you to this platform. Glad to have it around. I hope you are staying safe in this season and I'm glad we are together again. Remember last time we spoke together, it was on science. Today we are taking another basic science and this time we are looking at what we call simple machines. Simple machine. And when I say simple machine, what do we mean? It means those things, devices or tools that helps to make our work faster and easier. Those are simple machines. They make the work faster and easier. For instance, you want to do something, like I can even use a book or pencil. You want to write and you don't have pencil. Right now you have your lovely fingers, your hands are there, but you cannot write because there's no book. Is that okay? So the one we are using, or you want to peel an orange for yourself, and there and right there you are with the orange, and you have to eat the orange. And there's no, remember in school you just like, oh, when it's Wednesday, fruit day, you want someone to help you. Please to help me cut my orange. And we need to use the knife we use in cutting the orange for you is the simple machine. It makes the work faster and make it easier. So some of the simple machines we have include cutlass. Take it after me. Say cutlass. Can I hear you better? Cutlass. Okay. For cutting. You want to cut firewood and you need to use it. Instead of using your hand to struggle to break it, once you use the cutlass, it goes easier and it makes it faster. We have shear. Remember the other time we went downstairs that we normally use is used in school to trim our flowers. Yeah. Shear. So it's a simple machine. If you want to use a hand to start trimming the flowers, it will really go well and might take a whole lot of days to trim the beautiful flowers we have in our school. So with the shears, it makes it faster and easier. Another one is the bottle opener. You have a maltina you want to drink or cook and you want to drink it. Remember, it's not the can one, the bottle one. And there you are looking at salivating, I want to drink this, but without the opener to open it, you may waste your time. And if you try using your teeth, it might damage it. So with the help of the opener to open the bottle, is the opener right there you use is simple machine to help the work easier and faster. We apply it to screw. That's a simple machine. We have scissors. When you want to cut papers on the school, you now really use the scissors to cut instead of using the hand to tear. If you are tearing the thing, the edges to look rough. So that's it. It's simple machine. Catapult is another simple machine. Someone want to shoot at something, those in the interior part. So when they want to go into the bush to kill some insects or animals, they use catapult. Instead of running and chasing it, running, they use it. So catapult is a simple machine. Even gun is a simple machine to help direct at the target and get it faster. So we also have mallet, which we know is when we learn about mechanic, the use to hit something and normalize it, even to nail and drill in nails. You can equally use it. We have spade. It's a simple machine to make the work faster. Don't worry, I know you are thinking of seeing some of this thing. You're going to see some of the examples, the pictures. Is that okay? Okay, we have calculator. You want to start counting, like now if I told you 30 plus 70, you start shifting your brain this way, that way, this way, that way. But with the help of a calculator, you can just type it 60, and before you know, the answer comes easier. So it helps the work to be faster and easier, not stressing. We have sickle. Say it's sickle, which is used to harvest, to pluck something. It could be if you have a coconut tree in a compound and you want to harvest it, or mango, oranges, you want to harvest it, it is used to pluck it down instead of climbing and using hand, and that's it. So we have ladder, which is another simple machine we're looking at. And you want to climb the wall to cross the fence. or to fix the bulb in the house. You don't think of how someone struggling to climb the wall. Do you imagine that? You can fall and hurt yourself. The person can fall and hurt. But with the help of a ladder, put it on the wall, against the wall, lean it, and the person can easily climb. See electricians climbing easily to a longer, very tall pole to fix the electricity. Okay, so that is a simple machine to help get there faster and fix it. We have wheelbarrow. Another simple machine is wheelbarrow. If somebody wants to go outside and start carrying a tuber of yam, cutlass, or some people that want to go to visit the farm or garden, they start carrying cutlass this way, bottle water this way, some things they want to use in the farm. But with the help of a wheelbarrow, put those things together and start pushing to go. So wheelbarrow is another simple machine. We have fork, we're using eating. Now when you want to eat your food, remember, mostly your Indomie, you preferably use fork to eat. Because if you start using spoon or use your hand, you may not enjoy your meal. But with the help of fork and spoon, that is it. Saw, using cutting something to cut down a tree. So my machine saw to make it cut faster. And we also see another one, which is, I know you know right harder than spoon to use and eat. It could be a bigger one, it could be the small one we use in eating. We also have shovel, use, it could be in the compound atom in around to work. Instead of using hand to gather things, the shovel is used to make the work carrying of the thing faster and easier. So let's just go right there. Here we go to see some of the examples, the pictures are full of them. Oh, beautiful ones you have here. Oh, lady. Then we have a broom. I didn't mention it. So you can tell me in the house, do you have a broom? Oh, of course you have it. Some of you want to just sweep. As even you want to crawl and start picking those trash. But with the help of a broom, packer, we call it packer, dustpan. It's also a simple machine. Then we have cutleries. Hope you are seeing it. There's a spoon and a fork. Remember I mentioned when we want to eat, we use them to make our, oh, you're remembering how to use the fork and the spoon to eat your delicious fried rice. And then we have, what is that? Tell me, iron. So press to iron clothes. And you can remember, imagine how someone would be so rumble without ironing the cloth or uniform before going out. But with this, one the slide, plug it on, and there the person goes, iron the clothes and look cute. All right. We have mortar and pestle to pound. And this was, some people are still using it now. Right, in some places they are still using it. But some still prefer to use, next to which we have there is the one we use in these states that's common by some home. They want to make it very faster than using the mortar. And that's blender. Yes, to make it faster. Then we also have the picture of gas cooker. Gas cooker. If someone is, I imagine somebody is to gather, I want to make Indomie for you. And I tell you, go get some firewood from the nearby garden, then come. You start gathering sticks, gathering tripod stand to make fire. Can you imagine? It has taken longer time, but with the gas, turn it on, set the pot on fire, the water, and there you go, cooking. Before we count it, we are done eating it. So that makes the work faster and easier, not blowing firewood to the mouth. Or we also have cutlery as we have knife instead, cup instead to drink water. And cup is a simple machine. You want to have your drink of water, your tea, you take it easily. And we also have knife. Remember I mentioned scissors to cut. And that's a picture of scissors. I know you know it. Another one we have is this other mop that makes it simple. And that's the bottle opener, which we say scissors stay, bottle opener stay. We have nail. Okay, you see the wheelbarrow now, which I mentioned. You see knife stay. You have more. Say more. This simple machine is a machine to cut grass. When they turn it on, it will, and they cut grass. If they swell a field where they play football. Remember when we went to that time for Olympics rehearsals? They clear the place. Yeah, that man that was there that day can record it. Clearing the grass with the mower. Okay. So before we go for today, darling, once again, do not forget that our topic we learn simple machines. And we say that simple machines are the devices, can also tools, devices that make our works faster and easier. We mentioned all of them like cutlass, shear, bottle opener. Tell me more. The broom in the house, dustpan, bicycle, you're going to places, sickle, ladder, fork, knife, spoon, plate. Yeah, they're all simple machines that help us to work faster. Even our pencil, yes, pencil, pen, they're all simple machines. Darling, never you forget, as usual, visit the portal for your assignment and do it neatly and submit. I'm expecting your your submission tomorrow. Don't forget that I love you.